from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
Okay, so quick little Target haul for this sink organization. This is not from Target. This is from Home Goods. So I already had that for a while, and I think that I can use it better under the kitchen sink. I'm trying these out because I'm doing underneath my, bathroom sink. I'm doing under my bathroom sink. I want to do one thing at a time, but I just got a couple things that I thought would be useful. We store a lot of things under our bathroom sink. We do hand sanitizer, anything like sanitization, Lysol wipes and stuff like that. So it's pretty crowded. I'll show you that in a little bit, but first I have this steel shelf, and I have my receipt here. This was $9 here, the steel shelf. And then I got a plastic one. It's a stacking shelf, as you can see here. This was only $4. Yep. Okay, and then I got this basket, super cute. I got this for 10. Yes, I think this was $10. And then these two bins were $4 a piece. Let me see if that's right. Yeah, these were $4 each, and I'm sorry, I think this thing was $6. Did I charge myself more than I was supposed to? Yeah, I think that's it. So I think I got them correct. So I'm going to try to use all of this under the bathroom sink and get everything organized because it's driving me nuts and I'm constantly digging for stuff. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I guess the first step to this would be taking everything out. As you can see, I showed you in the intro. This is driving me nuts. I can't do it anymore. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out, and then I'm going to clean the inside of this cabinet.
On a run from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving along the roads and now.
Okay, so you can't really see it, but I think a lot of the Swiffer wet wipes have leaked, or a couple things have leaked. I see some mold back there, and this is why I really wanted to get in here and clean this out and start new. What I really wish I did do, though, was get liners for the bottom of this, now that I'm thinking about it, but maybe I'll do that another time. The first thing I really want to do is just get this organized, so let's start the cleaning process. So today I'm just going to use the Myers Clean Day Orange Clove multi-surface cleaner. See how well that takes up the mold. If it doesn't, then I'll use something different, but I don't want to use any bleach inside of this wooden cabinet at the moment. So we'll see how far this takes us.
On a run from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now.
So it actually didn't remove that mold. So I'm going to go grab some bleach and see if I can get rid of that, because I want to kill that mold.
Okay, so I found some Clorox bathroom cleaner. I'm just going to spray a small amount in that area right here and see if that takes care of it.
Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my
before, I really was getting frustrated with reaching for things, not even knowing what I had in here. So what I ended up doing was keeping 3 rolls of toilet paper. I don't really know where to put these. I guess I could put them somewhere else, but it's downstairs, so I always reach for them in here. So here are my Swiffer mop dusters. And then in these 2 white bins, I decided to put all of the disinfecting sanitation wipes. We've got Lysol, and then these wipes are from Costco. They're awesome. So I've got 3 more packs of these. I just picked up these hand sanitizing wipes at Home Goods. These are also, I think these were what Target was selling when they didn't have Lysol. So we have that. Same with this. And then we got these at Costco, the Microban 24-hour. Really cool. These have not been available for a long time. So we got a 3-pack of these. We also got these from Costco, the hand soap. My boyfriend loves this. I am not a big fan because I like Bath and Body Works hand soaps and stuff like that, but at least we're stocked up. I cannot complain about that. Back here I have the face shields. We use those when we go to families' houses and eat, so we don't wear the mask, but we wear the shield when we're eating. We have extra large vinyl gloves, which are a little big on me, really big on me, but they still do the job. I use them when I pump gas and everything, so they come in handy. We've got the Swiffer wet cloths. We've got the Swiffer dry cloths. Under here, which we probably won't be using until next year, are the Little Hotties toe warmers. I have poor circulation in my hands and feet. I forget what it's called. I can never remember the name. It's a, like, I don't know what it's called, but my toes get like white and the circulation gets cut off. I think back there are the hand warmers. So I usually take them in my car and keep a bunch of them for the winter. Right here we have the KN95 masks. My boss is a doctor, so they receive a ton of these. A lot of donations, and they always give me extra ones. So we have other cloth face masks I will probably add in there shortly, but I have a bunch of things that I didn't decide on putting back, and either obviously I'm going to throw away the wet jet box. This Windex I'm going to put up in the laundry room. That is a mirror that didn't belong in here. This thing I just bought from Target. I'm not worried about it because I'm going to use it underneath my kitchen sink in the next video. And then we had some sunscreen, which I can totally put upstairs. Other than, oh, here they are. Here are some of the cloth face masks. So we have much more, but these are the clean ones. So I'll end up just sticking them in here because it's just very convenient. So that's about it. It looks so much better. I'm so happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because I am doing a complete kitchen declutter and clean of every single cabinet. It's going to be a multi-video thing. So probably going to make it a series. So again, thanks for staying tuned. And thanks for giving me a chance because this is my, I'm new to all this, but I'm not new. I've been watching YouTube for years and meaning to do it, and this is really cool, and I appreciate all your support. Have a wonderful day, guys. Talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.